Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. To get started, open up your settings and in here scroll all the way down to General Management, and here you'll find Reset. And again scroll down and select Factory Data Reset. This will then present you with a list of data that will be removed by this process, which will include, more importantly, things like music, photos, and user data. If anything of this type is on your phone that you don't want to actually permanently get rid of, make a backup copy of it before you actually reset your device. Now you can do that manually by plugging in your device using a cable to your computer and then dragging over the files to your PC. Or you could also use the backup from Samsung, the cloud backup that they do, but if you are backing up your device because you get a new phone and said new phone isn't Samsung, you won't have access to this backup, so just be very careful with that one. And same thing goes if you decide to use the smart switch, I think it is, or something, the Samsung application for doing so, for backups, which you can also back it up to an SD card that you can plug in or to your computer in the same way. Keep in mind again, that is limited to only Samsung devices. There's a lot of things that handicap you, so the best way to create a backup, if you don't know what your new phone might be and you're doing that backup for that specific reason, just do it manually without utilizing any of the bullshit apps that every manufacturer makes, as these applications always lock you to their platform. So anyway, I don't have anything here that I want to preserve, so I'm going to scroll down, select Reset. Now, if you have some kind of screen lock, you will need to confirm it, and also, once you confirm that, if you have a Samsung account, that doesn't apply to Google for some reason, but only if you have Samsung account, you also need to sign out of that one, which, logically thinking, would also defeat the purpose of you needing to verify the screen lock, because you basically need to verify both of them. Why, it's beyond my understanding, but in any case, I don't have a Samsung account because, God, I hate that, so I can now easily perform a factory reset once I confirm the logical thing, which is a screen lock. Now the reset itself will take about a minute, 2 minutes to finish up, and once it's completed, we'll be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.